Alright, welcome to a new video. I hope you're doing okay. Let's do some unboxing. So these are some packages that came from Amazon. They have, they're like new recyclable stuff. I haven't seen these before. So let's open these up. Amazon did not write that. That was my wifey. Where's the easy to open thing? These perforated here. Oh, there it is. Have here Ultraman, Ultraseven X. Is that what it is, or 10? I'm not sure. And then we have another one. Superior 8 Ultrabrothers. That's pretty cool. Both with the slip covers. Very nice condition. These are Blu-rays. Let's see this one, how the Dogecoin come in. And good condition. So that's the back of the slip cover on this one. That's the front. We got the spine there. The spine is the same as the other one. The other side, I mean. This one looks really cool, like the whole format on the 8 guys. And the back looks cool too. Awesome. All right, let's get to opening these puppies. Let's open that beautiful plastic. A knife. Let's see. So this is completing my Ultraman Mill Creek collection, so that's going to be looking nice on the shelf. I did order some custom shelves, so hopefully here soon I will be, you know, putting these up, making it nice, and then making a whole collection video. These do not have digital. Lately, there is no digital at all on these. Just so you are aware, in case you were looking for some digital, this is like a plain disc. Plain release. How many? This is just a movie for, how long is this? 138 minutes. So this seems to be a movie. That's pretty cool. So this is not a series, and I don't think this is a series either. Oh, complete series. There it goes. Yeah, go. Way to go, Roland. So there it is. Bam, bam. You can hear me. Because he wants something from me. Pay no attention. You can hear. So maybe we need to raise the audio a little bit on this one because I'm not wearing my headset. I just realized that. And if I put it on, it's going to distort the audio. This one seems to have interior artwork, so let's see that. So we have this disc right there. Nice. Then we have this puppy right here, Ultraseven X. And then we do have some interior artwork. Hopefully you can see that. It's pretty cool. And that's it. So these are 2 more to the collection for the Mill Creek Ultraman series overall that they're doing. I think they're getting close to completing this on whatever they have already rights, licensing rights and all that. So let's do this right. Maybe like this. Bam, there you go. So we have Ultraseven and Ultra 8 Brothers. Is that Superior 8 Ultrabrothers? Alright guys, that is it for this one. I hope you liked it. I'll leave links in the description if you're interested in getting these. These are from Amazon, so it'll be easy to get these. Alright guys, thank you very much and catch you on the next one.